She's got you.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. Well, today I wanted to taste masala dosa, and apparently people make very good masala dosas over here in Bangalore. It's a kind of different taste that we get from other states in India, especially in Bangalore. It's really different. And there is one restaurant over here in Bangalore that serves very good masala dosa, and it's a pretty old restaurant, and that is in Malleshwaram. So I wanted to check it out. Now we are ready and we are going to this place, a restaurant which is old and it was started in 1950 and called Central Tiffin Room. Apparently they are very famous for their masala dosa, actually the masala dosa made with butter as well as their bonda, and we are excited. Of course it is around pretty late, but I think we will go there and it depends on the crowd. If it's too much, we will opt for a takeaway like how we did before. Let's start going right now. We are now 4 minutes away to our destination, and already if you see, the evening traffic has really picked up. Oh, there is a real chock-a-block traffic and all the cars keep on honking. Well, yeah, but at least we'll get to our destination in just 4 minutes time. Also, there's a lot of work being done at the sides of the footpath because there's a lot of development work happening in Bangalore. But also there's a little joy of the festive season which is lingering. Apparently you have to see it. As we drive along, on the left hand side we see Kanchipuram Kamakshi Silks. This is the best place for good Kanchipuram saris. As we proceed further, we see on the right hand side Sri Krishnaya Chetty. These are famous jewelers in Bangalore, and these shops are lit because of the festive season. Also the day is November 1st, which is Karnataka Rajyotsavati. So all these shops you see on the right, Pai International, they sell good household appliances, and there are many other shops like these. Finally we have reached our destination, and I would suggest if you're coming by car, there is not much of parking space over here. So we got our parking in KC General Hospital. So you can park your car over there and then you can walk it up to the Central Tiffin Room. Right opposite the Central Tiffin Room, or CTR, is the playground of Malleshwaram. This is a huge playground. Apparently in the evening all kids come out here and play. In spite of the traffic and all, this place is a very lively and vibrant place too. Now we are standing right in front of CTR, or Central Tiffin Room. It is either called a Shree Sagar. This has been an iconic place since 1950. Serving excellent food for the millions of customers who come to visit their restaurant. Now in front of CTR, the best place for good dosas. So let's taste our dosa right now. Given the corona situation right over here, I think it's better that we use a takeaway. So we want to buy a parcel and then we go home and check our food out. Five dosas. Five dosas. On looking around the place, it is very normal. It's like any other hotel with lots of customers. But it is, even though it is simple, it is a true and typical Bangalore restaurant. As we see in the restaurant, some parcels are kept. Now we see the menu board with all the prices of the items served is there. Also, because of the corona situation, they have started keeping glass shields across each table to prevent the spread of any virus that comes along in this restaurant. We have collected the token for getting a parcel, and now our token number is 23, and we have to stand outside just to ensure that they will call us when the parcel is ready. So we got a parcel. Now we have got a parcel, and today is Karnataka's Formation Day, November 1st. So there are a lot of balloons, and the flag of Karnataka is over here. So the next step is let's go home and taste our butter masala dosa. As we walk towards the car, we see on the right hand side of us is Punjabi Meal, which is another famous restaurant in Malleshwaram. Finally, we have reached home after a long drive, and we enjoyed a day thoroughly. So now let's review Benne Masala Dosa that we have bought from CTR. Come on. Our masala dosa has the branding of CTR as well as Shree Sagar. Then on opening the cover, we find there is the masala dosa is wrapped in banana leaf, and as well as the lot of butter they have added. We see that our butter masala dosa is covered with banana leaf, and it looks crispy and tasty. So let's check out inside. What is it inside the masala dosa? It's a thick masala dosa, and it has potatoes, mashed potatoes with masala in it, and it's full of butter, and it's yummy and tasty too. So let's taste and see how is it. They are not given any sambar, or we have to taste a masala dosa just as it is. And let's taste it with mashed potatoes they are given. It's pretty tasty. It's a very light taste, but ideally you should have it hot. So it's better that you have it in the restaurant. But if you're going to have it at home, you better heat it a bit before start eating it. Also, there is a little chutney over here. So this is the chutney they provide along with the food, along with the masala dosa. The best combination is this coconut chutney, which is over here, along with the masala dosa. So let's taste that also. So we remove the banana leaf, place it aside, chutney, and of course, this is the taste of beautiful masala dosa, Benne Masala Dosa, or the butter masala dosa with coconut chutney. Amazing. Really, this restaurant was started in 1950, but yeah, that's why people go there and visit it always. Do go over there and taste the masala dosa for yourselves. We hope you like watching our videos, and we request you to like, share and comment on them. I hope you liked our review on CTR over here in Bangalore, and please share it with your friends if you liked our videos. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next video, take care, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye-bye.